Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is an impromptu workout. If you notice, I'm in my work shoes. I didn't plan on doing any workout, but I was checking out the gym and I realized that hey, I can do this. So I went there and I did 5 minutes, yes, and I burned over 30 calories. So you can do it whether it's impromptu or it's a scheduled workout. You can do it today. So go ahead and try something new or try something old, but make sure you do some workout. Okay, bye.